I'm making some maybe. Oh no, I have to get some fish.
Some fish?
Yeah, look at them. Put it in the oven.
What kind of fish is it?
It's blue.
Bluefish?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just had to get the fish out because it's ready. It's getting ready, Mom.
Smells so good.
It's vegetable.
Fish with vegetables?
Yeah.
Sounds really healthy.
It's not very healthy. My sister. This is my sister.
That's your sister?
Yep, my sister. She wants to eat some food. And then cooking. Yep. Okay, sister.